To invest on the Sofi app, start by downloading and installing the app on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account by providing basic information such as name, email, and password. Verify your email address and phone number to secure your account. Next, link your bank account to the Sofi app by providing your bank account and routing numbers. This will allow you to fund your Sofi account and make investments. Sofi offers various investment products including stocks, exchange-traded funds, and cryptocurrencies. To begin investing, navigate to the investment section of the app and select the type of investment you want to make. For example, if you want to invest in stocks, search for the specific stock you are interested in and click on it to view its details. You can then enter the amount you want to invest and confirm the transaction. Sofi also offers automated investment options, known as Sofi Invest, which allows you to create a diversified portfolio based on your investment goals and risk tolerance. To use this feature, answer a series of questions about your investment goals and risk tolerance, and Sofi will create a portfolio of stocks and ETFs tailored to your needs. It is essential to understand the fees associated with investing on the Sofi app. Sofi does not charge management fees for its automated investment service, but you may be charged trading fees for buying and selling securities. Additionally, some ETFs and mutual funds may have their own management fees. To minimize risk, it is crucial to diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of assets. Sofi allows you to invest in fractional shares, which means you can invest small amounts of money in a variety of stocks and ETFs. This can help reduce risk and increase potential returns. Finally, monitor your investments regularly and adjust your portfolio as needed. Sofi provides real-time market data and news to help you stay informed about your investments. By following these steps and using the Sofi app, you can start investing and working towards your financial goals.